Are you Muslim?
Yeah, I am, for sure.
It's the holy month of Ramadan, you fasting.
Yes.
I got an offer for you.
Oh, yeah?
Eat this and break your fast. Like just a little bite of it. I'll give you £10.
No, thank you.
You sure?
No, I can't.
Why?
I'm doing it for God. I'm not doing it for money or people.
Okay. Anyways, I'll add it up. £20.
No.
Are you sure? £20 for just eating a little bit of this?
No, even if it is 1,000, I can't, no.
Alright, cool. An iPhone 14. How about that?
No.
12.
No.
It's an iPhone, Look at it.
No. Thank you.
Are you sure you're not gonna take it?
No. No, whatever.
2 phones and £20. Just to eat a little bit of this.
No, I've told you I can't. No.
Listen, it was social experiment. I'm not even lying.